Alright, is this thing working now? Hello, welcome to another video here where we're going to be looking at these two light fixtures. We're going to start with this one. I may or may not open this up. There we go, now the camera's working. I do have a screwdriver here. I could open these up and show you the internals of them. They're pretty cool. I have gotten a bunch of these. This is the only one that works, though. Most of them, the ballasts have died on. From another video a while ago, you seen me remove these ballasts from one of these and one of these. I am having issues getting these to work. If I cannot get them to work, I have one more over there. They will be getting thrown away because I don't need them. This one was missing a bulb, so I just popped in this bulb out of that light up there. So, yeah, let's go ahead and get started with, I guess, this one. So these are, well, I'll start by looking at the bulbs that we got in these. This one's got a, come on. If this thing can focus. This one has a GE Ecolux Star Coat 32 watt bulb, which I believe that these are all different bulbs, if I'm right, or maybe they're not, I don't know. This one is a 3500K version of the same thing, and this one is also a 3500K version. They're a little bit different bulbs, but they're all, this one is quite a bit different actually. It might be newer. So inside of here, seems how I have the screwdriver, and we can easily, maybe easily, pull this apart real quick. And the other one, I'm only going to show one side in these. So, inside of here, I did that, it looks like. We have this ballast that's upside down, but it's an old ballast from a long time ago. These were from 78, I believe, these ones. If I'm remembering correctly, I don't know. I seen a thing on one of them I had. There's a ground wire. But this is electronic ballast, which I find interesting that these had an electronic ballast in them, and it is for use with 32 watt bulbs. So we do got the right bulbs in there. I'm not going to spend too much time looking at the ballast. It seems how it's like you can't see it anyways. Alright, what a pain in the butt that was to get back on there and get it started. Come on. I don't want to miss anything, but I want to get the cover back over the ballast. The other end has nothing in it. I do have two more of these that are bad. Actually, I had four more to start with, but we're going to look at this one first. The other ones have information on one side of them. These are very heavy fixtures. This is this end of the fixture. There's nothing there. Nothing worth looking at. Just fling it around a little bit more. The bulb's popping out. So these are, I need to replace this plug. It's really bad. And I didn't want it to turn on yet, but alright. This stupid thing There it is. And that is actually about... I'm adjust the camera to what it looks like in person. That's about right. If I focus it on that bulb and brighten it up to about there, that's about what these look like in person. So I will do a couple of startups on it if I can. And you can see that these are very instant start. This one is, at least. So that's that fixture. I can go ahead and move it out of my way. They're never out of my way. No matter where I put them, it's going to be in my way. This one is easier to get into because it only has one screw on each end. But should have started with looking at the bulbs. So this is a dang thing. Come on. Pause it if you can, because this thing is going to get all out of focus. There it goes. The ballasts inside of these, seems how I pulled them from the other one, are these ballasts. I'm not going to open this one up. They are very generic looking ballasts. They have two of them in there, and they are two bulb. Let's look at the bulb. This one, like I say, had a bulb missing. This is an original tube. These were all the same, but I took the bulbs for something else. But I was using it, but I pulled a bulb for something else. So this one has this really bad looking GE 34 watt miser bulb. This is just a Philips Alto 40 watt. This is a Ace Hardware bulb, but this is the most interesting one, the Norelco bulb. But this is not an instant start fixture. I got this stupid thing out just for this video. I don't know if it's on or off. I didn't want it on. Oh, I'm plugging it into the wrong thing. Well, what the heck? Okay, well, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Come on. There we go. You can tell that GE bulb is just really bad. Look at this. I will do a startup of it at this end. If I can get it to shut off. I keep plugging this into the wrong one. Alright, it's plugged into the right one now. Alright, here we go. I can't really get the whole thing in frame very well. But this bulb is still working good, so I haven't found the need to replace it yet. For brightness on this one, that right there is about right. As long as it's focused in on that only, that's about right. Now, if I focus it up here, I have to dim it way down, but that's about what it looks like. It's very bright light. It's just 4 fluorescent tubes, but yep. So I'll start this one more time. 3, 2, 1. There you go. So that's it for this fixture. Don't know where I'll ever use it, but thank you for watching and have a great day.